Mark's philosophy, the Hughes philosophy. And I'm going to mention just 3 parts of Mark's philosophy that helped us to become successful. His first philosophy was choosing this marketing system. Mark could have put the products in the store, advertised them on television, and he could have sold the products that way, using testimonials, television. But here's the philosophy of marketing that Mark chose, and it's good to make the note, person to person, rather than putting the products in the store. Here's why. He knew that if someone bought the product in the store, no one would follow up and get them to use the product. He knew the best way to get someone to use the product was person to person. Someone who used the product, getting someone else to use the product. Now, if you learn person-to-person marketing, you will have a tremendous skill for the rest of your life. Person-to-person marketing. It's a chance to make a fortune. Here's the power of Herbalife's marketing system. Directly and indirectly, you can positively affect the lives of hundreds of people. Some of you will positively affect the lives of hundreds of people using Herbalife's method of directly and indirectly. Indirectly means you affect someone's life, they affect 10 people. You affect them, they affect 10. When in fact you actually affect those 10 because you affected the person that affected the 10. That's what we call indirect influence. Some of you using Herbalife's person-to-person marketing directly and indirectly will affect the lives of thousands of people. Some of Herbalife's top distributors using this method of marketing are affecting the lives of tens of thousands of people. By Mark himself using this method of marketing, directly and indirectly has affected the lives of millions of people. That's how powerful this philosophy of marketing is, person to person. Affecting the lives of millions of people positively. And he never finished high school, never went to college, never went to university. It's amazing, using the power of this philosophy of marketing. Now here's the next philosophy Mark had. Those that do the work get the pay. If you're a teenager and you start, if you do the work, you get the pay. Weren't you one of the youngest, millionaire team members?
18.
18.
Yes.
So, jot this down. Age doesn't matter. In some places where you go to apply for a job, age does matter. If you're too young, they say no, you can't work here. If you're too old, they say no, you can't work here. You're too old. Too young, too old. Herbalife, age doesn't matter. Next, education doesn't matter. Some jobs, if you went to inquire, if you didn't graduate high school, you couldn't work there. So here, education doesn't matter, and age doesn't matter. Okay. Next, circumstances do not matter. Maybe you come from very modest circumstances. You know, just having to start at the bottom. Mark says, welcome to Herbalife. That's where I start. So circumstances don't matter, education doesn't matter, age doesn't matter. Next, equal opportunity. Men, women. Many women these days are looking for equal opportunity. Herbalife offers it. If you do the work, you get the pay. So that was Mark's philosophy. Those that do the work get the pay.